Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP coin. XRP is still moving in a very big symmetrical triangle, and in today's video, we will analyze when the price line can break it out and what can be our next target. But before starting the analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this weekly time frame. And here we have already seen that the price line is moving in this symmetrical triangle. And the formation of this triangle was started here back in December 2020. And after several tests of the support, so far the price line is not able to break it down and also not able to break out the resistance as well. And there is also a very nice support of the 100 simple moving average. This red line is the 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. And only here, price line in the month of December 2020 tested this support of 100 simple moving average. And after that, the price line is testing only the support of the triangle, not the 100 simple moving average. Here, on this candlestick, we had a very long bearish spike that went very close to this support of the 100 simple moving average, but the price line recovered back and re-entered the triangle. Right now, we can see that the price line, the movement of the price line is quite squeezed because the triangle is getting more and more squeezed. So this is the decision-making time for the price line to break out or break down the support or resistance of this triangle. I'm expecting that soon it can break out, because if we switch on the daily time frame chart, then here we have already seen that the price line has broken out a resistance of the down channel, and the price line was entered in this channel here in the first week of November and broke it out here on almost 16th of December. And we also had a very nice support here at 85 cents, and after breaking out the resistance of this channel, price line was testing this support, and now we are slightly moved down below this support. Now if we zoom the chart out, then we can see previously this 85 cents has been breaking out a very, very strong support. We have tested this support here and here for several days, and here as well. And right now the price line was again testing the support. Now here we also have another support that is approximately here at if I place this trend line here, then we can see we have this support approximately at 78 cents. So this zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 78 cents, that is a really, really strong support zone. But in my opinion, if the price line continues to move down, it cannot touch 78 cents because we have this support of the channel approximately coming at 81 cents, 81 to 80 cents. And it will be really very difficult for the price line to break down this support of this triangle, not the channel triangle. Now, if the price line breaks out this triangle, let me just show you the targets again from the support up to this resistance. If I place this measurement that I've taken by this trend line, here, for example, if we are going to have a breakout from here, that will be approximately $2.60. And in case of breakdown, that will be a really, really drastic drop. But we also have another support of 100 simple moving average. I'm expecting, for example, if we will break down the support, it will be recovered back after getting bounced by this 100 simple moving average. You can see the price line never broke down this support of the triangle, and second thing, never broke down the 100 simple moving average after December 2020. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.